Welcome back to TV5 News at 9. It's time now for Medical Moments with Covenant Healthcare. Joining us this morning, we have Executive Director of the Covenant Healthcare Foundation, Kristen, and Director of the Covenant Cancer Care Center, John Koenig. Thank you both for being here this morning.
Thanks for having us.
Of course. So, John, we can start with you. Can you just give us an overview of the services your team at Covenant Cancer Care Center provides?
Yeah, actually, Covenant Oncology Service is a comprehensive cancer center. So we have multiple accreditations as part of our program as well. We're accredited by the American College of Radiology for our radiation oncology department and also our breast health services. We have the Commission on Cancer accreditation. We are accredited for our breast program and also our rectal program. We offer radiation oncology, medical oncology, and surgical oncology, and treat pretty much all types of cancers. And if there's something that the patient does have that we can't handle, we have, good relationships with the other university hospitals here in Michigan and refer to those places as needed. We also offer multidisciplinary tumor conferences where the patient's cases are discussed with multiple providers, and that way we identify the best treatment option for them. We also have support services for our patients, such as genetic counseling, financial counseling, social workers, dietitians, all to support that patient through their journey as they go through oncology and treatments. This past year has been actually a busy year for our cancer program. We just recently launched 2 new programs. One is Pluvicto for prostate cancer. The other one is BITE therapy, which is an immunotherapy that actually helps the patient's own immune system attack the cancer center. So we just launched those, and we're working to launch 2 more programs here very soon. One is hepatic artery infusion pumps for metastatic liver cancer, and then we're standing up a lung nodule clinic that will allow patients that are either going through low-dose CT or incidental findings that we've find through our radiology imaging to be able to go to the lung nodule clinic and be worked up and determine if they need to have biopsies and if they have a cancer or not. So lots of activities going on in our cancer program.
Lots going on. Your team has been very busy, obviously, but thank you for giving us some background on those services. The reason John and Kristen are here today is because Covenant Healthcare Foundation is gearing up for some big red carpet events. Kristen, this is Covenant Foundation's biggest fundraiser. Tell us more.
Yeah, so it's actually 2 days, 4 events all over at Apple Mountain, Freeland. So there's kind of something for everybody. There's 2 golf outings. One is a par 3 where every single hole is a possible hole-in-one chance to win. We have something for the non-golfers too. So if people want to come to crumpets and croquet, we have a croquet tournament that's super fun. And then we have a premier event. It's a nighttime event. It's a Wednesday night, August 6th. And that's got food trucks, live entertainment, a lot of networking, and just a really good time. So all of the money that's raised at these 4 events actually goes to support 2 of our services at Covenant Healthcare, one being cancer care services and the other one being Covenant at Home. So we're just really grateful for the community that they support us, they sponsor us, and it's a great way to support these causes and the work that they do.
And golf, croquet, and crumpets, all those events sound like so much fun. John, a portion of the funds, like she said, will go directly to Covenant Cancer Care. How will these funds impact your patients?
Yeah, last year's funds that was raised, actually most of it went to support our patients that were either underinsured or uninsured and allow them to get mammography, screening or diagnostic mammography services. So that's been a huge help for those patients that maybe wouldn't come to the hospital to have those services. We also use those funds for community events and activities, educational events for our patients in the community. And then as things pop up, there's always having those funds available. We're able to go, to our foundation and use those as we need to for other services throughout excuse me, throughout the year.
And all of those services you mentioned are so important that patients get the help they need. So
Yes.
that is awesome. You guys are making all this possible. Kristen, are tickets still available for any of those events you mentioned? And how can people sign up for a team?
Yep, absolutely. So if people want to participate, if they'd like to buy premier tickets, they can go online to covenanthealthcare.com/red carpet. There's videos about our beneficiaries. There's links to buy tickets. And then there's a phone number to call if people would like to sign up for golf outing. One of our outings, I think, is full, the Thursday event, but our par 3 still has availability to it.
Right. Anything else either of you would like people to know as we get ready for these red carpet events?
I think just how much we appreciate people's support, especially when, I always say that the money goes to support people that they don't even know. So our sponsors, our volunteers, the people who come to the events, they will probably never know the people that they're impacting locally here, and we just appreciate them very much.
Well, both of you, thank you so much for being here. We appreciate it.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Once again, the red carpet event is August 6th and 7th. Next week, we'll discuss how it will benefit Covenant at home. If you would like any additional information on today's topic, just head over to the hot links section on our website at WNEM.com.